Well, we finally found this place. I knew it was off 75 somewhere. I guess we're outside of Luna Pier, Michigan. So, checking at this looks to be a gas station at one time. But, no. There's a sign on the door here. I want to check this out. Condemed. Oh, Lord. This is scary. Erie Township Code Enforcement Division. Condemed. This building has been condemned, unfit for use, and shall not be occupied. Has been found to be in violation of the property maintenance provisions and ordinance, unsafe structures and equipment, and is herein condemned and ordered closed and secured as of 6/15/2012. So, in literally no more than what, 10 months, it's looking like this. Wow. That is freaking crazy. Very cool.
These things are like vicious.
Wow. This is
try to rip away from them, tear us apart.
Whoa. Well, it looks like a literally gas station, I guess.
Oh man.
What do you think?
Yeah, I think it was going to be a gas station. And
oh man.
I know. Those are nasty. Be careful, man.
Well, there's a pump.
These prickers.
Kerosene.
Yeah. Cash machine. Oh no, it's a gas. It's a gas kerosene.
Yeah.
Oh, gas.
Here we go. This is what we gotta watch out for. A dry that looks like. Oh, okay. Dean's still cold, even though it is warming up. See, look, they're gonna tear this place down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, wow. Look at the growth inside here. Wow. It doesn't look very inviting in there.
Yeah, it looks like it had potential to be a gas station, like they were going to do it. And then you just said
the structure of the building's all caving. It looks like the ceiling's kind of bowed. I know, I had to try it.
Oh,
you know, I would have hated myself if I didn't.
Me too. I'm like that too. God, I'm shaking so bad. It's terrible.
Well, it is a little chilly. It's a wind. Actually, look at these bees' nests. All the mud wasps' homes. Isn't that crazy?
Wow.
I think the video's good. I think you're fine. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, looks like they were going to just use it as a truck stop, or they were going to build something here. I mean,
looks like a drive-in window here.
It just didn't happen. Right.
You know, wait a minute. I bet this might have been like a fast food joint, kind of.
Yeah, it could have been. Yeah, or like a truck stop like the one we were at.
Like maybe a pilot, but they decided not to do it.
You know, look at the size of those with the pumps.
Yeah, that's like 6 bays.
Okay.
Let's walk over there.
All right.
This place is crazy. Sorry about that, guys. Gotta step over the reeds. I know it's windy too. It's like a fire hose, or probably a gas hose. Thankfully empty. It's almost to me like this was gonna be a gas station. I don't know if it ever was, but quite likely just another kind of truck stop. You think this place was ever used?
Well, I don't think it's ever been used. I think they were going to use it and then they just didn't, because it looks like it's all, there's no concrete here yet. It's all, you know,
Grass and like
they
dirt.
put this in with potential. What? Concrete they just never did.
And these are rusted because they've been exposed and not maintained.
Oh, yeah.
But look at the top of this place. It doesn't look too bad.
It's the upper part, yeah, it's the top. I wonder what the top looks like.
I guess we can look online, but
Yeah, there you go.
it might be worth a look, yeah.
This looks like a fire type.
That's what I thought, yeah.
That's weird.
It is so windy out here.
Yeah, it is.
Luckily, both of these are empty. See, here's another thought. There's Sunoco way over there, and that might have just had too much business and just taken it away from anything here.
There's a what? Oh.
Sunoco over there.
Oh, okay.
And usually two gas stations on either side won't compete. Like they just won't work.
Oh, okay.
But then again, there maybe was an idea for something here and it never happened because there was a building violation.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there's like open sewer lit over there. And I think there's a
Over
loose,
there, yeah.
There's a loose one also over on the side there where they were going to drive through. This open sewer would scare the hell out of me.
Oh yeah, that's dangerous. I've heard of some bad stories related to that.
Actually, that thing should
Speak
not.
to the devil there.
Yeah, that thing should not be open.
That's a little unnerving.
It's dangerous, you know. It's like it's real dangerous.
Wow.
Be careful, watch your.
Holy shit. That.
You want to hold my camera for a second?
Alright. I got two kids.
Yeah, you can like aim it at me if you want. It shouldn't be open, man.
Yeah, I agree. That was some double filming there.
Yeah, that's weird, man. I'm no longer cold. That's a good thing. I should lift some more sewer lids, maybe. That is if I don't throw my back out first.
Right. Not a bad find. Not the most interesting in the world. You know what I mean? Like, because you obviously can't see inside very well. There's nothing in there even.
You know what? I think those. Yeah, let's check out in those drive-through windows if we're able to. There's another lid there that's cocked crooked.
I'll be darned.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
You know, I don't know. I don't think I'll have to mess with that one.
Hey, Dean.
Yeah.
This is pretty unnerving for me. Okay, take a look at this. This looks like an area that was dug out. And a lot of like shoes and clothing.
Oh!
Doesn't it look like an area that's been kind of dug out?
Yes.
That is, and that shoe.
Yeah.
And those clothes and all that.
Right there.
I know Michigan's had some bad issues.
And then, yes. And then sewer lid's cocked.
I'm freaked out.
Okay.
Wow.
I understand.
Yeah. I don't know what's going on in this place.
Yeah, the sewer lids are weird.
I mean, yeah.
Let's check out this drive. You know, it's weird because there's nothing in here.
Oh, look at that tree that's growing up inside the place.
Right, yeah.
Huh.
Some kind of drive-through thing.
I guess.
Yeah, they were going to build, they started, and they just stopped.
Patent pending, huh? That's crazy. That tree in there.
Yeah. That is funny.
Wow. I guess it's only taken, well, I guess they deemed it condemned last summer, but maybe it's been like this longer. Probably.
Yeah, they probably condemned it because of the tree. It's probably one of those man-eating trees, and they didn't want to get near it.
Right.